IVIM Technology is a total solution provider of intravital microscopy. Intravital microscopy is an imaging technique for in vivo live cell imaging. Compared to conventional imaging technology, intravital microscopy is capable of cellular level video imaging, as you can see in this example. Thereby, intravital microscopy can provide a detailed live video of disease development in cellular level. Conventionally, individual users have had to improvise the required functions for each of the intravital imaging applications with conventional standalone microscope. IVIM Technology is now providing all-in-one intravital microscopy. IVIM Technology's intravital microscopy system has all-in-one single-box package design for easy installation, operation, and maintenance. It has co-optimized hardware and software for superb intravital imaging performance. It has ultra-fast imaging speed up to 100 frames per second. It has integrated automatic live tissue motion compensation. It integrates all the devices for live animal maintenance. And it has no limitation in imaging various internal organs in live animal model. As you can see in this slide, IVIM Technology's intravital microscopy is capable of live cell imaging in all the organ and tissue inside the live animal. As you can see, all the individual cell and blood vessel and cellular level structure can be clearly imaged by using IVIM Technology's intravital microscopy. Compared to conventional macroscopic scale imaging technology such as X-ray, ultrasound, CT, and MRI, intravital microscopy has a unique advantage of capability to provide microscopic scale imaging analysis in 3D cellular level and also molecular and functional informations. IVIM Technology's all-in-one intravital confocal two-photon microscopy system is extensively optimized and carefully engineered to provide superb performance in the intravital imaging of live animal model in vivo. Additionally, for the drug development, intravital microscopy can enable a direct in vivo imaging analysis of the drug delivery to the target tissue and cell, monitoring of the drug efficacy, and validation of mode of action of new drug candidates in microscopic scale in various preclinical models of human disease. IVIM Technology is providing all-in-one intravital microscopy system as shown in these pictures. It also provides the customization option for customers' specific needs and also intravital endomicroscopy technique for preclinical and clinical application as well. In addition, IVIM Technology is providing contract-based R&D service of intravital imaging. For Beijing research, we provide in vivo, 4D, and 3D cellular imaging and trafficking and monitoring, as shown in these examples. For the drug development company, we also provide intravital imaging service to monitor the drug efficacy and actions, and also drug delivery to the target cell and tissue over time. IVIM Technology is providing confocal model, C model, IVIM M, two-photon model, CM, confocal and two-photon model, and we also provide MS model, integrating the femtosecond laser system for two-photon excitation. And then we also provide the research service of intravital imaging. As you can see in this video, we integrate all the devices for confocal and multi-photon imaging with super fast laser scanners inside. By using IVIM Technology's IVIM C and CM model based on confocal microscopy technique, it achieves ultra-high fast laser scanning of multicolor excitation of a laser beam. By doing that, it's an ideal solution for high sensitivity multicolor intravital imaging of in vivo tissue. As you can see in this example, we can provide very high resolution, wide area intravital imaging of live tissue in live animal. This is the real data obtained from the inguinal adipose tissue from the live mouse in vivo. It's obtained by IVIM Technology's confocal microscopy system, IVIM-C. So as you can see, you can clearly distinguish the individual adipocyte and the vascular cell, blood vessel in red color. And then we can construct in 3D after taking GSTAG imaging data. So as you can see, we can easily achieve subcellular level resolution of adipose tissue in vivo. IVIM Technology's two-photon microscopy model, including IVIM-M, CM, and MS model, is capable of deeper tissue imaging with longer wavelengths near-infrared femtosecond pulse range. It has also advantage of no photobleaching and non-focal plane, thereby reduced phototoxicity. So, it's an ideal solution for long-term 3D intravital imaging of in vivo tissue. This is the example obtained from the skeletal muscle of a live animal model, clearly showing the sarcomere inside the myocyte, and blue in vessel, and then green showing the neuromuscular junction inside this skeletal muscle. By using IVIM-CM model, we achieved in vivo very wide area two-photon and confocal microscopy imaging, as you can see in this example. So in this area, this is the real GSTAG sequence imaging data obtained in this site. So you can clearly see the neuromuscular junctions in green, blood vessel in blue, and sarcomere inside the individual myocyte in red. So thereby, we can clearly observe this subcellular level structure inside the microscopic scale in the muscle. All of IVIM Technology's all-in-one intravital microsystem is equipped with ultra-fast rotating polygon mirror scanner. Thereby, it enables ultra-high-speed in vivo imaging with maximum speed of 100 frames per second at 512 by 512 pixel. Additionally, compared to conventional laser galvanometer scanning, it can achieve uniform excitation illumination over the entire imaging field of view. So as you can see in this video, this is the rotating polygon mirror inside our intravital microscopy system. Another key function is animal motion compensation. All of IVIM Technology intravital microscopy system is equipped with video rate imaging and motion compensation. Thereby, compared to no motion compensation conventional microscope, it can easily achieve very high resolution imaging from this moving tissue inside a live animal. Also, it can deal with the multi-focusing distortion of the tissue by selecting the optimal imaging frame for the acquisitions. So compared to the no motion compensation, you can clearly see the IVIM Technology's motion compensation function guarantee high resolution, high quality intravital imaging of moving tissue. Also, IVIM Technology is providing in vivo live animal maintenance solution. It provides body temperature monitoring and feedback heater control system by using rectal probe and body flight heater as shown in here. So by using the tablet screen provided together with the intravital microscopy system, you can monitor the body temperature and tissue temperature together, and then it can also sense the tissue temperature with additional two indicator. And also it provides cover glass heater to optimally maintain the tissue temperature during the intravital imaging. IVIM Technology is also now releasing the new model of 2021, IVIM-MS2. IVIM-MS2 is the world's most compact intravital two-photon microscopy platform. It's fully integrated with the femtosecond laser module and the 4 GASP NDD for multicolor imagings. It has also sliding blind curtain to cover the sample stage, alleviating the requirement of the complete darkroom for the two-photon microscopy. It also provides the jog stage for the stage control, and the tablet screen for the temperature monitoring and control. So this is the real data obtained from the live animal tissues, including adipose tissue, skeletal muscle, lung, and the near skin. So as you can see, by using the IVIM MS2, you can easily achieve very high resolution multicolor fluorescence imaging of the live tissue in live animal in cellular level. So this is the slide again to showing the capability of the IVIM Technology intraoptical microscopy to image all the tissue and organ in live animal model. We are providing the all-in-one intraoptical microscopy platform, and we are also providing the contract R&D service as well. We providing one-stop total solution of intraoptical imaging service. We first consult for your specific application of in vivo live cell imaging. We perform the test imaging for preliminary experiment, and then we also provide the optimized imaging plan with quotations. Once this quotation is accepted, we create the animal model. We perform the intravitreal imaging of various organs in mouse model, and then we perform the image processing and quantitative analysis for reporting. This is the exemplary project performed by IVIM Technology. This is the real data showing the delivery of the exosome in the live animal model. As you can see in this figure, only 10 minutes after the exosome injection, you can see this red fluorescently labeled exosome is delivered to the surface of the target cell, and at 30 minutes after the exosome injection, it's internalized, as you can see here. So this is the clear evidence that this exosome can specifically target and deliver to the target cell in sepsis animal model. This is the demonstration of the intravital real-time imaging of the liver. So as you can see, you can clearly monitor the delivery of the nanoparticle into the liver in real time. It also has been applied to imaging the various liver disease model, including liver fibrosis. So as you can see, this green line is the collagen fiber inside the liver, and this yellow dot is the lipid droplet in non-equally fatty liver mouse model, together with this blue color blood vessel. So as you can see, over time from 2 days, 7 days, 14 days, 21 days, you can monitor the progression of this non-equally fatty liver development. And then you can see the increased size of the lipid droplet in the. Of course, we can monitor it in 3D by using the capability of tomographic imaging of comfort cone and two-photon microscopy. 7 days, you can see the development of this large lipid droplet in the liver. It continues over 14 days and also 21 days. In addition, we can also monitor the various immune cells inside this liver of the non-equally fatty liver disease model. We also can provide high-quality, state-of-the-art imaging window technology. It includes dorsal skin fold chamber for cancer direct imaging, cranial imaging window for long-term brain imaging, and abdominal imaging window for various abdominal organ imaging. So this is the real video we provide to train the customer for dorsal skin fold imaging. So this is the real example of the longitudinal cancer direct imaging, showing the change of the blood vessel together with this green fluorescent cancer cell, tumor cells, in this tumor xenograft model. This is the test result of the anti-angiogenic treatment, showing the change of the blood vessel without treatment and with the treatment. And this is also the example data showing the monitoring result of nanoparticle delivery to this green fluorescent cancer cells through these blue-colored blood vessels. As you can see, over 1 day, from 2 hours, 6 hours, 24 hours, we can clearly monitor how these drugs in this case it's a nanoparticle, is delivered to the cancer cell through the tumor blood vessel. We are also capable of in vivo intravital retinal imaging, and they monitor the cell delivery and also cell dynamics in the live animals' retina. So this is a very useful technique in developing the new drug for retinal disease. And this is also training video we're providing for the brain imagings. So we can remove some of the brain skull, and then we can perform the brain imaging of a very long. So this is the real data showing the 10 days imaging of the same mice, showing the change of this green fluorescent cell after the neuroinflammatory result. We can also monitor vascular leakage. It's the result of the BBB disruption. And we can also monitor the delivery of the new drug to the brain tissues through the blood vessel. And this is a long-term imaging result up to 1 month. So we are now providing the full product and service catalog. It's available on your request. Please send an email to information@ivimtech.com. So these are our customers who purchased our microscopy system and who also used our intravital imaging service. IVIM Technology is global #1 solution provider of intravital microscopy technology. We have superior intravital microscopy research service. We can provide strong application support with a specialist team with advanced know-how of intravital imaging with more than 10 years experience in the field. We also have a strong technical service and operational training service as well. So IVIM Technology is global #1 total solution provider of intravital microscopy. So if you have any question and consult, please contact Sujin Park, the Global Sales and Marketing Director, by sending the email.